Alright, good morning, world. Tomorrow is my girlfriend's birthday. To clean the freaking bathroom. Oh. Kinda don't want to bring my camera in here, but I want you to see my hard work. When you're scrubbing really hard, it takes a lot of elbow grease. The best part of cleaning a bathroom, the toilet. Who doesn't love cleaning the toilet? Now my next favorite part, cleaning the kitchen. I'm gonna start with the oven. That looks filthy. Looking good. Cleaning stuff up, and I'm moving stuff everywhere. This place is a mess right now. Look, I got junk everywhere. Papers and backpacks and trash, and I got everything's all sprawled out everywhere. Now I'm lost. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to clean next or what to... I don't even know. In the midst of all this cleaning, now I'm taking a time out to cut this pineapple. Sliced up pineapple. Gonna cut it a little more. Driving to Ikea! This is what I'm getting. Home now. Got this thing. Gotta put it together. Alright, boom, done, beautiful. In the house. So, I ate here yesterday, and I'm eating here again today because it was so good. Boom, burritos.